Marking a member at risk or not is very important for their success so that we know in Talent Stacker where the member is, what they need help with, how they're doing, and what we can do for them. So this person, Joe, we've decided he's at risk. So scroll down here and you edit this checkbox. Then here you check the box and it will open up for you the at-risk reasons. So you can pick why they're at risk. Were they added to a project late after 5 months after being certified? Do they not have a certification within 3 months of joining the program? Do they not have a job after 6 months of becoming certified? And is there 1 month with no LinkedIn profile update? So this member hasn't been certified yet, so we are going to pick that they didn't get their certification within 3 months of joining the program. You'll notice this date and time field here. That's going to be automatically filled in once we save this. There's also a few other things that will happen once it's saved. So I'm going to go ahead and click save, and then I'll show you what else happens when you save it. So there you see the date was stamped and the time was stamped. Then if you look down here, the owner was also changed to Bradley Rice. It used to be me because I created this record. But when we mark it at risk, we need it to be changed to Bradley Rice so that he can help that member. If you scroll up a little bit, you'll see here that Bradley Rice has a new created high priority task. He has to contact the member within 24 hours of them being marked at risk. So that task gets emailed to him and it gets set right there so he can see it. You'll also notice that up here a banner is added that says the member is at risk. So if another user comes in to Joe's account, they're going to see this banner right away. And they're going to know that this member is at risk. They're also going to see the new account owner. So Bradley Rice is going to be the only one that can take that at risk stamp off of there. The people that can add the at-risk stamp are the study group manager, the volunteer project manager, the member review manager. They can all mark it as at risk, but the only person that can remove the at-risk setting is Bradley Rice. And he'll know that they're at risk because he's the new owner and a task is sent to him that he has to contact this member within 24 hours of them becoming at risk. He'll be able to see that they're at risk right here with this banner. That's how the at-risk function works in your new Salesforce org.